In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Confluence. We're going to set up a simple clear board that helps you and your team see what needs doing, what's in motion, and what's finished. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want the board to live. This can be an existing team page or a new page created for a project. Choose a spot that your team can easily find later, and consider adding a short intro above the board so everyone understands its purpose. And next, click Edit to switch the page into editing mode. While you're here, make sure the page title clearly reflects the project or team so the board is easy to search for and reference in meetings. Now create your columns. The classic trio is to do, in progress, and done. To do holds everything waiting to be started. In progress shows active work. Done captures completed tasks so you can see progress at a glance. Keep the column names short and intuitive. If your team uses additional stages, you can reflect those in the column names, but keep it simple so the board stays easy to scan. You have a few good options for building the board. A basic table works well. Make your columns as table headers and add rows beneath each header as cards. A task list is great for quick checkbox style tracking, especially if you're working solo or with a small group. If your Confluence is connected to Jira, the Jira macro lets you surface real issues and keep statuses in sync, which is ideal for development teams. And if your site has a Kanban app macro, that can provide a more visual drag and drop experience. Choose the option that best matches how your team works and the tools you already use. Add your tasks or cards under the correct column. Write clear, action-oriented titles and include a brief description if context is helpful. Keep each card focused on a single piece of work so it's easy to move and complete. Assign owners and due dates if needed. Use mentions to make responsibility clear, and add dates to set expectations. This helps teammates prioritize and makes follow-up straightforward. When you're satisfied, publish the page so the board is live for your team. From here on, update the board as work progresses. Move items from to do to in progress when you start and into done when they're complete. Keep details current, close out finished work, and add new tasks as they appear. A board is only as useful as it is up to date, so make quick updates part of your team's routine.